today's video, I just want to tell you guys something important. I've been using AI to write down the scripts. So I've been using AI to write down some things, and I just read it to you guys. And this is the first video where I actually reveal my secrets. In today's video, I will not be using AI to write down the scripts. Alright, now you guys can watch the video. Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today, we're going to restart the Bible. I've been using AI to write down the script, so we're just going to restart, and I'm going to read the Bible. And we weren't even that far in the Bible, so let's just get into it. Here we have the Bible. We have it in KJV. Let's start reading. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And God saw that light, that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness, and called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. What we learned from this is that God created the day and the night on the first day. Also learned that God was the creator of everything, including the earth and the heavens. And we learned that God didn't touch anything. He just created by thinking and saying the words that he needed to say. His power comes from his mouth, not from his hands. Okay, back to reading. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament, and he divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And that was so. What we learned from this is that God created a firmament around the earth, and he separated waters in between the earth. So he put half of the water above the earth and the other half under. He put the water above to rain down on the earth, and the water under to rain down on the bottom of the earth. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. And God said, "Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters he called seas. God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yield fruit after its kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass and herb yielding seed after its kind, and the tree yielding fruit whose seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were the third day. God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs, and for the seasons, and for the days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of heavens to give light upon the earth. And it was so. And God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. God set them in the firmament of heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and rule over the night. Divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were the first day. God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly moving creatures that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven." And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly after their kind, and every winged fowl after its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters and seas. Let flowers multiply in the earth." And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind." And it was so. God made the beast of the earth his kind, and the cattle of his earth after his kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let us make man of our own image, after our own likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth." So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. And God blessed them. And God said unto them, "Be fruitful, and multiply, and replenish the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the flower in the air, and of every living thing that moveth upon the earth." And God said, "Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat, and to every beast of the earth, and every fowl of the air, and to everything that creepeth upon the earth, wherein there is life. I given every green herb for meat." And it was so. And God saw that everything he would made, and behold, it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the sixth day. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. That was Genesis 1. Next Thursday, I'll be doing Genesis 2. For now, I'll see you guys until next time.